Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing challenge for you. Would you rather build your luxury house edition, your $10 million house? But before we started, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, your dream house needs a style. Which one feels like home to you? Now let's head inside. Pick the bunk bed that totally matches your vibe. First impressions are everything. Which front door are your guests walking through? Believe it or not, even toilets can be cool. Which one's yours? And hey, don't forget your toilet paper buddy. Which one's coming home with you? Time to step in style. Choose your favorite rug. Now choose your gift. Blue, green, or red. Which one you pick? Like, comment your birthday, or subscribe right now. A home isn't complete without a killer kitchen. Which one are you cooking in? Now for something a little wild. These houses are totally unique. Which one would you call home? Living inside fruit? Yes, please. Let's go big again. Which of these dreamy bedrooms would you sleep in forever? Now choose your coffee table. Think comfort and style. Time for your dream ride. Which one are you driving down the coast in? Let's head upstairs. Pick the staircase of your dreams. Let's test your memory. Remember the positions? Where's the Shrek is hidden? Shrek is hidden on beer number 4. Straight from a sci-fi movie, which futuristic home is calling your name? Glam time. Which setup has all your beauty must-haves? Game on. Pick your ultimate gaming setup. Time to relax. Which tub would you soak in forever? Now let's get cozy. Which pillow are you sleeping on tonight? Your inner child is calling. Which fun room brings back all the best memories? Time for a snuggle. Which cuddly plush are you hugging every night? Next up, sink time. Which one are you washing up in? Let's see your focus. Find the odd Pikachu emoji out. Correct, here's the odd one. Summer is around the corner. Which fun pool are you diving into first? Pick the bookshelf that holds your favorite stories. Sleep and game in the same room? Total win. Choose your dream gaming bedroom. Which night lamp sets the perfect vibe? And which swing chair has your name on it? Movie nights just got epic. Which screen setup are you binge watching on? Family dinner or fancy feast? Pick the perfect dining table. Let's get back to business. Which standing bathroom gets your vote? Where are you working from today? Cozy chill zone or focused power desk? Backyard goals coming in hot. Which gazebo is your dream escape? Lighting sets the mood. Which ceiling light are you going with? Now choose the piano that plays your heart's soundtrack. Popcorn's ready. Which home theater setup would you choose? Pick a castle for you. They deserve royalty too. Time to feel like royalty yourself. Which throne do you choose? Brighten your space. Which flower arrangement adds that perfect pop? Pick your dream closet. Where are you getting ready every day? Mirror, mirror on the wall. Which enchanted one is yours? Caffeine lovers, this one's for you. Pick your favorite. Make an entrance. Which doorway brings the wow factor? Final round. Tea lovers, it's your turn. Which kettle is heating things up in your kitchen? You did it! You built your mystery dream house. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you had a blast, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a chance to build, play, and explore more awesome challenges. And don't stop now, your next adventure is waiting. Tap the next video on your screen and keep the fun going. I'll meet you there.